Most people think Termux is just a fancy terminal app for Android. They install it, run a few basic commands, maybe feel like a hacker for 5 minutes, and then never touch it again. But what if I told you that hidden across GitHub are powerful Termux tools that can turn your smartphone into a serious cybersecurity workstation? Tools that can automate reconnaissance, gather intelligence, analyze websites, discover vulnerabilities, collect information, and perform tasks that most people assume require a full Linux machine. The craziest part? Some of these repositories have been sitting on GitHub for years, yet most Termux users have never heard of them. Today, we're exploring 7 secret Termux hacking tools found on GitHub that every ethical hacker, cybersecurity enthusiast, bug bounty hunter, and tech lover should know about. And trust me, some of these tools are far more powerful than they look. Quick disclaimer before we start. This video is not sponsored by any of the tools, developers, websites, or GitHub repositories mentioned. Everything shown is for educational and informational purposes only. These tools are intended for ethical hacking, cybersecurity research, OSINT investigations, and authorized security testing. Never use any tool against systems or networks without proper permission. Stay legal, stay ethical, and let's get started. Let's start with one of the most useful categories in cybersecurity, reconnaissance. Because before you can understand a target, you need information, and that's where tool number 7 comes in, ReconDog. This lightweight but surprisingly capable reconnaissance framework helps gather information from publicly available sources. Usernames, subdomains, emails, metadata, DNS records, and various OSINT-related information can often be collected with just a few commands. What makes ReconDog interesting is that it combines multiple reconnaissance functions into a single framework, making it extremely convenient for Termux users. Imagine trying to solve a puzzle without seeing the picture on the box. That's what cybersecurity looks like without reconnaissance. ReconDog helps reveal pieces of that puzzle before you even begin deeper analysis. Moving on to tool number 6, red_hawk. Despite being around for quite some time, many newer Termux users have never explored it properly. Red_hawk combines several reconnaissance and analysis features into a single package. It can gather information about websites, perform basic scans, identify technologies, analyze server details, and collect useful intelligence that helps researchers understand how a website is structured. One reason people love tools like red_hawk is convenience. Instead of using 10 separate tools for 10 different tasks, you get multiple functions in one place. And let's be honest, when you're working from a smartphone, convenience matters. At number 5, we have Photon. Now this tool is particularly interesting because it focuses on web reconnaissance and information gathering. Websites expose far more information than most people realize. Hidden files, URLs, parameters, JavaScript references, APIs, and internal structures often leave clues that can be discovered through proper reconnaissance. Photon automates much of this process and can quickly map large portions of a web application. Think of it like creating a blueprint before entering a building. You want to understand the layout before exploring deeper. That's exactly what tools like Photon help accomplish. Next comes tool number 4, XSStrike. If you've spent any time around bug bounty hunters or web security researchers, you've probably heard people discussing cross-site scripting, commonly known as XSS. XSStrike was designed to help security researchers test and analyze XSS vulnerabilities in web applications. Unlike older tools that rely heavily on static payloads, XSStrike uses intelligent techniques to analyze inputs and generate more effective testing scenarios. For students learning web application security, tools like XSStrike provide valuable insight into how modern vulnerability testing works. And considering how common web applications have become, understanding web security remains one of the most valuable skills in cybersecurity today. At number 3, we have Sherlock. This tool became incredibly popular because of one simple idea: usernames. Most people reuse usernames across multiple platforms without thinking about it. Sherlock helps search for usernames across numerous public websites and social platforms. This makes it incredibly useful for OSINT investigations, research projects, digital footprint analysis, and online identity discovery. The first time many people use Sherlock, they realize how much information can be connected through a single username. It's almost like following digital breadcrumbs scattered across the internet. One username often leads to another profile, which leads to another platform, which reveals even more information. It's fascinating and slightly terrifying at the same time. Now we're entering the top 2, and these are tools that almost every serious cybersecurity enthusiast should know about. At number 2, we have Sublist3R. One of the most important parts of web reconnaissance involves discovering subdomains. Large organizations often operate dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of subdomains. Some are public, some are forgotten, some are development environments. Some may contain valuable information for security researchers. Sublist3R automates the process of discovering publicly accessible subdomains using multiple sources. For bug bounty hunters and OSINT researchers, this information can be incredibly useful because subdomains often reveal parts of an organization's infrastructure that aren't immediately obvious. Sometimes the most interesting discoveries aren't found on the main website at all. And finally, at number 1, we have one of the most versatile frameworks available for Termux users, Osmedeus. If the previous tools were specialized instruments, Osmedeus feels more like an entire toolbox. This framework automates many reconnaissance and information gathering processes used by cybersecurity professionals. It can combine multiple stages of reconnaissance, organize results, automate workflows, and significantly reduce repetitive tasks. One of the biggest challenges in cybersecurity isn't finding tools, it's managing dozens of tools efficiently. Osmedeus helps address that problem by bringing multiple workflows together under a single framework. For researchers handling larger projects, automation becomes incredibly valuable because it saves time and reduces manual effort. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe because we've got more Termux tutorials, ethical hacking tools, GitHub discoveries, cybersecurity frameworks, OSINT techniques, Linux guides, and internet secrets coming very soon. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and keep exploring the world of cybersecurity.